Welcome to Math TV with Professor V. It is Thursday, February 16th, 2023. Here's your integral of the day. We have an indefinite integral of 5x times sine squared x dx. I actually just put this one on my exam that my Calc 2 students took this week. So, you're going to need to use integration by parts and a trig identity. For you, we're going to pick obviously the polynomial function. I'll put the 5 with the x, 5x, and then dv is going to be sine squared x dx. So now let's find du. du is just going to be 5 dx. And in order to figure out what v is, to antidifferentiate sine squared x, I need to use my half angle identity. So remember, sine squared x, anytime we try to integrate it, we're going to replace it with 1/2 times 1 minus cosine 2x. And then I'll keep my dx right there. So let's antidifferentiate now. V is going to be, just keep the 1/2 there. Antiderivative of 1 will just be x. Antiderivative of a negative cosine 2x would be a negative 1/2 sine 2x. Lovely. So now we're ready to keep it going. U times v, 5x times that whole quantity. So I'm going to write that as 5/2 x times x minus 1/2 sine 2x. That's uv minus integral v du. You know what I really want to do? Let's put the 5/2 outside the integral. Ooh, yes, so good. And then we have x minus 1/2 sine 2x dx. All right, I'm going to go ahead, distribute this 5/2 x through. So this is 5/2 x squared minus 5/4 x sine 2x minus, and then here's 5/2. Antiderivative of x is going to be 1/2 x squared. And then let's think here. Antiderivative of a negative 1/2 sine 2x would be a 1/4 positive cosine 2x, but then I'm also going to distribute that negative 5/2 through. And then don't forget your plus c. Okay, so I was a little wild. I integrated and distributed at the same time. And then, let's see, notice I have some like terms I can combine. This is 5/2 x squared. That's 5/4 x squared, negative. So altogether we have 5/4 x squared minus 5/4 sine 2x minus 5/8 cosine 2x plus c. Nice. Some of my students set it up a little differently. They, from the get-go, replaced sine squared x in the integral with 1/2 times 1 minus cosine 2x, distributed, and then did integration by parts just on one of the terms. You got options. As long as they kept everything lovely and accounted for, notation was on point, they'll get full credit. So I'm grading this weekend. What's everyone else up to? Hope you guys are having a good day so far. Check out the rest of my videos and playlists and lectures and all that good stuff on my YouTube channel. Subscribe if you haven't already. Please leave a comment below. I love reading your comments. Give this video a thumbs up if you haven't already. You can catch me on Instagram and TikTok. I'll probably make a TikTok of this video at Math TV with Professor V. Take care, you guys.